Missing leads because you're not checking your inbox fast enough? Here's how to get every new lead sent straight to Slack automatically, all via Zapier. Today we're using Zapier to connect your lead form to Slack. By the end of this, every new lead will ping your team instantly, so you can respond while they're still hot. Our first step is to open Zapier and to create a new scenario. So first we're going to choose our lead source. That's going to be our trigger here. In our case, we're going to use Google Forms as our lead source. So we will type in Google Forms. We will choose that. We'll choose the trigger event being a new form response. The account we will choose, whatever we would like. We'll click continue. The form should be your lead opt-in form where leads are using in order to submit their information. We'll click continue. Zapier will run a test so we can use the dummy data to use in the rest of our automation. Now we'll continue with the selected record and we're going to add in Slack. Now the action event for Slack, we're going to choose send channel message. We'll choose the account that we want. In this case, we will use the Alliance for Business Success. We'll click continue. And now you'll choose your account. In this case, we're going to choose the one titled prospecting. Now here, the message information can be whatever it is when we're mapping our lead data into the Slack message. So we can pull in fields like name, email, and whatever message that may came from the lead opt-in form that they chose. For the test, we'll say, my team, we have a new lead. Here is their info. So we'll put a space called name, and then we'll put another space called email. And I'm typing this in here, and it'll show up in Slack as well. I'll click the plus button. And now for name, we will use the name variable that we have from Google Forms. And for email, we'll choose email. We can choose to send as a bot, which we will. Bot name, we'll call it the Amazing Lead Tracker. We can change the bot icon if we'd like to. Link to Zap, we will put no. Auto expand links, yes, yes. And send channel message, we will choose yes. Now we'll choose continue. And we're going to test this step to see if it'll show up. Let's go check Slack. So as we can see, the automation did work. We can see the bot Amazing Lead Tracker here. We see the information and we see the name and email information as well from the test information from Zapier. From here, we're back in our Zap. All we have to do is click published, and now this will publish inside of our Zapier account. Now every time someone fills out your form, your Slack channel will get an instant alert about their details. No more checking multiple inboxes or missing hot leads. Your team can jump on opportunities the second they come in without lifting a finger. Now, do you want this exact template plus 100 plus more automation workflows? Then join the inFlow community for career professionals who want to learn AI and automation for their side hustle. Link in bio and in the description. Build systems that work while you do. Be inFlow. Talk to you later.